Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see this construction. The problem is construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Okay. So here two circles are there and two circles have same center. So that's why they are called concentric circles. So if you want to draw the rough diagram, so these are the two concentric circles. So here we have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters. To this small circle, we have to draw a tangent. From where we have to draw the tangents? From a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters. So this big circle is there, no, with radius 6 centimeters. So on this circle, take any point, let it be A. Okay. So from this point, we have to draw the tangent. They are not asking tangents. So only one tangent we have to draw and measure its length. We want to measure its length and also verify by the measurement by actual calculation. So this is the radius 6 centimeters we have and this is 4 centimeters we have, right? And here right angle. So we want to find out this if it is AM. First take the scale and measure the 4 centimeters radius. Okay. So this is 4 centimeters. So with this 4 centimeters, just draw one circle. Okay. This is the center of the circle. I am pointing it. Okay. Now take the radius of 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Now from the same center, we have to draw this 6 centimeter circle also. Like this. Okay. So now this is the center of the circle O. Okay. Now take any point A on the big circle which is 6 centimeters radius circle. Let it be A. And now join this O and A with the scale. Now, what is the process of drawing the tangents to a circle? First, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector to this circle, right? So, we'll draw the perpendicular bisector for this. Just to take more than half, draw the two arcs from above and below to this OA line. From O also draw arcs. Now just draw a line. So this is the perpendicular bisector to this OA. Okay. So now I am pointing it as M here we took, right? So as P. Okay. Now with P as center with OA or OP as radius, we want to draw the circle. If they ask draw the two tangents, but here only one tangent they are asking, right? So just take P as center and AP as radius. So draw an arc onto this first circle. We want to draw the tangents to this circle only, na? So the arc cuts or intersects at one particular point. Let it be M. Okay. Now just join this AM. So AM is joined. This OM is nothing but the radius of this circle 4 centimeters and this OA is the radius of big circle, that is 6 centimeters. Right. So in the question they are asking find measure its length. Right. So if we measure, this is 4.5. Exactly it is how much? See here, from here to here, this is 4.5. Okay. So by measuring, the length of the tangent AM is 4.5. So verification by actual calculation. So in triangle OAM, okay, angle M is 90 because the angle between radius and tangent is right angle. By Pythagoras theorem, we have side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here in this triangle, sides are AM, this AM and OM. Opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse OA. We know the values OM and OA. We substituted, and plus 16 if we transpose it is minus 16. Right? So AM is equal to root 20. So how we will find out this root 20 value means? So take 20 and 0.000. Okay? Just underline on the a set of 0 here, 2 zeros. Okay, on two zeros. That means each time we have to bring down 2 numbers here. So now we are finding square root, right? So we want to read the square table only. Square table means what? This 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, like this. Okay. So if you read like this here, 4 4s are 16 is nearer to this, and 5 5s are 25 is more than this. So take 4 and 4. 4 4s are 16. So if we subtract here 4, point is there now. So put here and bring down these 2 zeros down. Now just double the number which is in the quotient. 8. So 8 5s are 40. So first check with first 2 digits. 8 5s are 40. But if we multiply 85 5s, it will be more than 400. Okay. So multiply 84. So 4 here and here also. And now we want to multiply 84 4s. So 84 4s if we multiply, we will get 336. Again if we subtracted here, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6. So bring down the next set of zeros. This is 6400. Again here what 8 is there, no? So first write 8. This is the next number here we wrote is 4, no? Okay. So we want to double this 44 without point. If we double 44 without point, it is 88, no? So write 88 here. Okay. Next 88 we have to check with 640, first 3 digits. Okay. So it divides 7 times. So 887 sevens we have to check. That is 6209. So if we subtract, we'll get 191. So nearly root 20 up to 2 digits I am writing as 4.47. Okay. So if we adjust this, here we have more than 5. So we can add one number to the before number. So I can take it as 4.5 centimeters. So by measuring we got 4.5 centimeters, and by actual calculation also we got 4.5 centimeters. This is the problem. Steps of construction. 2 concentric circles of radii 4 cm, 6 cm are drawn with center O. Point A is located on big circle of radius 6 cm and joined OA. So right, first 2 circles are drawn and next point A is located. So in the next step, what we have done? In the next step, we draw a perpendicular bisector to this OA. It intersects at P, right? So the same we wrote here, perpendicular bisector is drawn to OA, it intersects at P. Now by taking P as center with OM as radius, An arc is drawn on the small circle of radius 4 cm. It intersects at M. So AM is the required tangent, that is AM is 4.5 centimeters.